What's good, y'all? You back with Streetz, freestyle cooking with Streetz. Already know what it is, man. Bringing y'all another great video. About to do our thing. Thanks for tuning in. Let's go right in, y'all. So tonight, I got another new addition to the appliance family, as y'all can see. You know what I mean? Always trying to find, different tools that I can use, that you can create recipes with without always being in the kitchen, or different alternatives, you know what I'm saying? So I went out, y'all, and got a countertop convection oven, y'all. Countertop convection oven, man. All right? Supposed to do the same thing that your oven do, or give you that extra added oven space if you're using your oven and it's filled up. But this is like a multi use oven. I mean, you could toast, bake, broil, defrost. They got the turbo convection flow. So I just figured I lost a clip of me unboxing it, y'all. But I figured I'd just show y'all anyway, so we can check it out. All right. So as you can see, nice and spacious going on up in here. Come with the 2 racks. Nice and spacious, y'all. Over here we got our controls. You can toast, bake, warm food up. They got a pizza button, defrost, broil. You got your timer, so you can set a timer on how long you want it to cook. And your temperature, you can set your temperature up different ways. So let's say if I wanted to put it on bake, it's already at 350. Let's say I want to put it to 400. I can set my timer. So whatever I want, it's at 30 minutes. Let's go back to 30. Hit start, and boom. 30 minutes baking, y'all. You feel me? It also has the turbo convection button, which basically is like if you ever use like a turbo convection oven, it just heats things up real fast, convection style. You know what I mean? Real quick, real fast and easy. You need to give it a try, but definitely official. Same way, you set the timer temperature and do your thing. All right. So plus I want to show y'all how spacious this is. Let me take this rack out. So y'all can see how spacious it is. This is my 12-inch skillet. Look at that, y'all. My cast iron skillet, 12-inch, all the way up in there, y'all. You feel me? So as you can see, that thing is nice and spacious, man. So if you're doing something in your cast iron and you want to go, like you would go straight to the oven, you cook your steaks and we'll go straight to the oven. Boom. They got the space, y'all. You can cook a whole chicken up in this joint, y'all. A small turkey up in this joint. Bake anything. It's good to go, y'all. All right, so our recipe tonight, we're gonna try this thing out. All right, we're gonna give this thing a try. Just wanted to give y'all a little quick, introduction to the new tool to the appliance family up on Freestyle Cooking with Streetz. And we're gonna try it out and get it in, y'all. All right, let's do it. All right, y'all, so we got the oven to the side, ready to go, plugged up in the kitchen. And we're gonna be doing some Cornish hens, y'all. All right, I got a couple of Cornish hens here. We're gonna do some Cornish hens to test the oven out, y'all. See how they come out. So we're gonna try to make a nice, good roasted Cornish hen. And Cornish hens are good, like quick. Different alternatives to like a whole chicken or something like that. You just want something real quick and easy. But the Cornish hens, y'all, delicious, definitely good. Okay, so we're gonna do some Cornish hens. So first, I'm gonna put this to the side. I'm gonna go ahead and put together my own seasoning. Now this seasoning mix that I'm making, y'all, my own seasoning mix, you can use this on chicken, steak, fish, whatever you want. It's going to be a little bit of a spicy mix, but if you're not a fan of spicy foods and stuff like that, you can just leave the spicy ingredients out, y'all. Okay, but this mix though, you can just put it in a jar and a little bowl or something, a Tupperware bowl or something. Put it to the side and use it. Okay, so I'm going to make me a little small mix here. First, I'm going to use about half tablespoon of salt. Next, a half tablespoon of pepper. Next, a half tablespoon of garlic salt. Next, I'm gonna put a tablespoon of onion powder. Next, a tablespoon of garlic powder. Next, a half tablespoon of cayenne pepper. Next, a half tablespoon of chili powder. Next, I have a tablespoon of some paprika, sweet or hot, whatever you like to use. And like I said, y'all, the hot ingredients, the cayenne, the chili pepper, that's optional if you want it hot. Or if you want to cut back, just put a teaspoon or a couple of teaspoons in if you like. All right, next, put in a tablespoon of margarine. Next, a tablespoon of mustard powder. Next, a tablespoon of turmeric. And a tablespoon of some dried thyme, y'all. All right, now I'm going to mix this all up. You see I got me a little jar to save my seasoning in. This was just an old jar from a seasoning that I had bought, and I cleaned it out, kept it. I do stuff like that, y'all. I hoard those little things, containers and such. But yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and mix this up real good. And this is Streetz Freestyle Cooking with Streetz Spicy Seasoning, y'all. That's what we're going to name it for right now. But you can get creative and, you know, mix your different spices together, taste the ones you want, and make your own kind of rub for your own kind of meat. You know, you like you know, like for salads or something, you want to make an Italian seasoning where you're just using the herbs like the rosemary, the thyme, the parsley, etc. You can make your own, like, you know, Italian seasoning. But this seasoning right here, like I said, you could use this on any protein, steak, chicken, fish. Mix it up real good. Okay, and I get my container. Put it in my container, y'all. That's right, y'all. Get all that up in there real careful, like. No, don't want to waste none of it. All right. And there we go, y'all. We got our seasoning. Freestyle Cooking with Streetz Spicy Seasoning. Oh, yeah. Everything mixed up in there real nice, y'all. And, you know, this is about the half of the jar, but I can use this over and over and over again, y'all. Okay? Because it doesn't take much to use. Okay? And that's what y'all do. Y'all save it, put it to the side, mark it up. That's y'all special seasoning. So we're going to go ahead and get our hens. Boom. And get these things seasoned up, y'all. All right, y'all. So first, before I get my seasoning on there, I got some butter. Go ahead and load my skin up. Take my fingers. Make some little pockets in the skin. Get my butter up in there, y'all. Because I want that butter to just seep up into the meat. Once it bond with the seasoning. Oh, man, these things are going to be nice. I'm trying to tell you. Cornish hens, y'all. Y'all never had Cornish hens? You got to try them out, y'all. Usually you can get them in like a 2-pack. Like I bought a 2-pack. You know, in the market they had it in the 2-pack. And these are fairly normal size. You know, like not too big. You know, like I said, like a little bit smaller than like a whole chicken or a fryer. But they're so good, y'all. And they're so easy to make and quick. Like I said, y'all, we're going to try this oven out. Get my butter up in those pockets. You just take your finger and just, you know, open the pockets up real light so. Like you just open up the pockets, get it up in there, y'all. All right. Open this side too. Oh, yeah. That's how we want it, y'all. All right. Flipping back over. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get my oil. All right, you can take some olive oil, whatever oil you have. I'm using some grapeseed oil, but normally I would use olive oil. I don't have any at the moment, people. So maybe about a tablespoon on each hen. But you just basically want to make sure, rub the whole hen, oil it down, oil the legs down, the wings down, like I'm doing right now. Just get it, nice and coated up. Some oil. Oh yeah, that's how we doing it, y'all. Can't wait to go in on these. All right, now we're going to take our seasoning. Get our seasoning on there. We're going to rub our seasoning all up in there, y'all. Our special spicy freestyle cooking with Streetz seasoning, y'all. That's the name of it, y'all. I know I should have came up with a better name, but y'all with me right now. Tuning in, checking him out. When I put it together, so that's where we at, y'all. Freestyle cooking with Streetz spicy seasoning. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Get that all rubbed up in there. I'm gonna turn it over. Get a little bit of seasoning on that side. I can smell the aroma from the seasoning. It smells so good. I ain't even started cooking it yet, y'all. I ain't started cooking it. You have to smell the spices. Oh yeah, we got some butter coming out one of our pockets. Slide it back up in there. There we go. Slide it back up in there, y'all. All right. All right, we got our hens all seasoned up, y'all. So I'm talking about. We're gonna set that to the side. Okay, set that to the side. All right. Boom. Get out some veggies we want to cut up. Got my bacon dish. Got my bacon dish ready to go. All right. I'm gonna cut up some veggies. Just to put to the bottom of our bacon dish that we're gonna set our Cornish hens on top of. All right, so I got me some carrots, some celery, shallots, y'all. That's what we're using, y'all. All right. Go ahead and start with my carrots. Go ahead and start to peel them. Peel the skin off, y'all. All right, now that I got my carrots peeled, I'm gonna go ahead and chop them up. Get them up in the bacon dish. Yeah, y'all. All right, next we're gonna do the celery. They don't have to be finely chopped up real small, y'all, because, like I said, this is just a bed for our hens. So that's cool. That's fairly nice size. Get that up in there. All right, now we got our shallots. And I'm going to just cut these in, like, nice size pieces. I don't have to finely chop it up. That's, like, good enough right there, y'all. Just like that. Nice size pieces to spread over the bottom. And I'm just using like 2 shallots. Just like that, y'all. Nice size like that. Because we just want these, the flavor from these veggies. All right. go, y'all. Mix it all up. The carrots, the celery, shallots. All right, that's gonna be our bed, y'all. That's gonna be our bed for our hens. All right, y'all. Now I got some twine. I'm gonna cut me off a couple small pieces of twine. All right, because we're gonna go ahead and tie our hens up, y'all. Tie them up, tie the legs together so they cook right, nice and right. Just a couple pieces, y'all. All right, gonna tie them up. All right, y'all, got the legs tied up, nice and perfect, ready to go. Get our dish. Get our hens up in there. Oh yeah. Be banging, y'all. All right, now you want to have, I got the so since we're trying out the new oven, I done preheated it at 400, y'all. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and put these in there for about an hour, y'all, and let's see what we get, y'all. Okay, because normally in an oven, a regular oven, it take about an hour. They say like the countertop convections are faster, but we're gonna put it in for about an hour. And let's see what we get, y'all, okay? See if we get that nice little roasted flow going on, all right? So let's get this up in our new appliance, trying it out, and I'll bring it back to y'all when we finish. Let's do it. What's good, y'all? Got the hens up out the oven. We tried it out. They came out looking real nice, looking real good, y'all. So the oven's a go. All right, so let's just get this up on a plate, get to that finish line, and close it on out, y'all. Let's do it. There we go, y'all. Got our Cornish hen plated on up. Made some rice. Okay, put it on the bed of rice. Put some of those vegetables up under that. You know, got the carrots, the celery, the shallots up on the top of the rice. And you just go ahead and go in on that, y'all. You know what I mean? So you can make your Cornish hens with any kind of size you like. Like I said, I put it on top of the rice. And you just go right in, do your thing. Right? Freestyle cooking with Streetz, y'all. Cornish hens. The oven is a go. You see how it came out nice, roasted. Looking good, color good. It's a go, y'all. You know what I'm saying? All right, so please subscribe. Share, like, hit that notification for more great videos, y'all. Holla.